Welcome to Millennials With Money. My name is Johnny and thank you for joining me for this video at the end of 2021. It's been a really good year for me. There's been a lot of challenges, but there's been a lot of achievements as well. And in this video, I'm just going to talk a bit about them, how my year has been on YouTube, investing, in my life in general, and give you a bit of what to expect in 2022. So let's get right into it. So let's start with some of the achievements. So my YouTube channel and Instagram account have both grown tremendously this year. I hit 1,000 followers on Instagram earlier this year, and I hit 1,000 subscribers on YouTube this month in December, and I'm really grateful to all you guys for that, so thank you very much. I've also had the privilege of meeting and working with a lot of talented creators this year, both through interviews, through video collaborations on Instagram and YouTube, and it's been a real pleasure to work with some of these people this year as well. In investing, I had a really good year as well. My investments have performed very well, as you'll have seen through the updates that I've posted on the channel throughout the year. I had to sell a lot of them towards the end of the year due to some complications with financing my property purchase, which we'll talk about in a second. But I did manage to sell at a profit and took some nice profits from those investments. In my professional life as well, at work, things have been going really well. I was able to take on some new responsibilities this year and develop professionally, which is also really good. It's not something we talk a lot about as finance YouTubers, or people promoting entrepreneurship, side hustles on YouTube. But if you're able to grow professionally, develop professionally, get new responsibilities in your job, that's always a good thing because it shows growth, development, and it can lead to greater income opportunities, which also helps you on your road to financial independence and financial stability. And as you'll know from my most recent video, I was able to purchase my first property here in Spain in November, which is a massive achievement for me, and I was really happy to be able to go through that. So make sure you check that video out where I talk more about that as well. That said, things haven't always been straightforward. It took a lot of work to get to where I am today in terms of YouTube, in terms of Instagram, professional development. It's been a very busy year, very demanding in terms of my schedule, and that at times has left me without energy, feeling like I need a break, and sometimes having to work a lot or work on side projects. It's meant I've missed out on life a little bit here in Madrid. The region has been open and without too many pandemic restrictions for quite a while now. So yeah, at times just through either being busy or just through not having the energy, I haven't sometimes been out, seen my friends, done fun activities and enjoyed life, which is what which I recognized towards the end of the year, and I tried to start having a bit more fun towards the end of the year. And so that somewhat explains, I don't know if you want to call it the inconsistency or the lack of content towards the end of this year, as I've been trying to find that life balance, enjoy life a little bit more, take a bit of a rest, and figure out what to do. So I apologize for the inconsistency of the content that I posted towards the end of this year, but yeah, that's kind of how that happened. Well, despite those challenges, it has been a good year. So what can you expect in 2022? Well, I'm gonna keep pushing to grow the channel. You can expect more of the same content, probably a bit more property content, since I'm now in that space and I'm looking to explore it a little bit more. I've changed my investing strategy as a result of what happened trying to finance the property and with trying to look into property a bit more this year. So I'll maybe talk a little bit about that on the channel as well. I'm also looking to do, collaborations, interviews with other creators, and I'm also looking for new ways to bring you value through other educational resources that I haven't released on the channel yet. So do keep a watch out for that. And finally, I just want to end the video by saying a huge thank you to all of you this year in 2021 that have supported the channel, whether you've watched my content, whether you're a subscriber, whether you're a content creator and I've collaborated with you, or whether you simply shared my content on social media. I really appreciate it, and I do this for you guys, and I'm glad you find value in it. And so with that, I just want to wish you all a fantastic 2022. Hope many good things come your way. I'll see you on the next one, and let's get this money. And yeah, we'll see you on the next video. You know what to say, right? See you on the next one. No puede ser. El Mike.